Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to send short message service or SMS in Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to your message application on your Android phone. And if you want to send SMS or short message service, you just need to tap on this button, then select the recipient that you want to send your SMS to, and you can tap on this button, this plus button. To select the recipient, you can select the recipient from your contacts. All right, and for example, I'm going to select this contact, and we can also select multiple contacts. We just need to tap and hold on the contact, and we can select another contact. Okay, and after we're done selecting the contact, we just need to click on down right here, and after that, we can type our message. We can type our message right here, and for example, I'm going to type hello. Then if you want to insert photo or audio to your message, you just need to tap on this button. Then you can tap on this plus button, then you can choose image, photo, or video or audio to be attached to your messages. Okay, and after that we can choose the SIM card that we want to use for sending the message, and you just need to tap on this button and you can select the SIM card. And here I have chosen SIM 1, and if you want to switch, you just need to tap on switch option. Okay, and I'm going to cancel it. And if you want to send the message, we just need to tap on the send button. Then the message will be sent. Alright guys, and that's how we can send SMS in Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.